Welcome back. In news overseas, a U.S. blockade of Iran's ports takes effect. U.S. President Donald Trump says Iran wants a deal very badly, and he was called this morning by the appropriate people seeking an agreement. In the meantime, U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance accuses the Iranian government of engaging in an act of economic terrorism by blocking traffic through the Strait of Hormuz. In a social media post, Trump warned any Iranian fast attack ships caught trying to approach the blockade would be immediately eliminated. Earlier, Iran's parliament speaker said the country would not surrender under threats. There has been no response to Trump's latest remarks. Meanwhile, the Pope responded to criticism leveled at him by Trump, saying he has no intention to debate the war with the U.S. President. Trump had accused the pontiff of being terrible for foreign policy.
And the Primetime News package continues with sports right after this break.